Abigail, that's obviously the curriculum links pages. So we've got the 2016 WA curriculum on there. Have we typeset the new one that Claire mapped it to yet?
We're currently in the process of typesetting it, sorry. It's looking really good at the moment. Yeah, Claire, could you maybe talk about like how you felt when I sent you that email about, yes, please, let's link the new WA curriculum to this primary maths assessment series as well?
Sure, we had it looking good, didn't we? We had already linked it to the Australian curriculum, the New South Wales curriculum, the Victorian curriculum, and then Western Australia decided to bring out a new curriculum. So, yeah, I had a look at the draft. So I kind of thought, well, as it's not being printed just yet, wouldn't it be great to be first off the press with the new Western Australian curriculum? So, yeah, unfortunately, they don't have codes, so you've had to just put the outcome. I think that's what we thought we'd do. Yeah,
we're going to have a table following this curriculum links page. So it'll be after these, and we'll just have a page here before the assessment checklist, and it'll just go through the new WA curriculum with all of the outcomes that you've linked it to.
Yep, great.
And talking about that, I was just thinking, what made it such like a good product to not only link to the Australian curriculum, but then to align to all the other mathematics curriculums in Australia?
Well, it makes sense for it to be nationwide product, and many of the curriculums actually are very similar to the Australian curriculum. So it wasn't that difficult to then really make sure it aligned with each curriculum. And it's just a bigger range, bigger scope for the product to get out there.
And it makes so much sense, I feel like, to have each like pre and post assessment linked to a curriculum outcome, then grouped under the strands. It's an easy flow in the book. You know, teachers can easily flip to measurement if their students are struggling with measurement, find a specific assessment that will work for them, and immediately just do a little check on how their students are going with that particular lesson and topic.
It's actually easier for me to write it like that too, because I've got a structure and I can just follow each outcome, and then teachers know, well, this is covered. I've got my pre-assessment, I've got my post-assessment, and I've covered all my bases. So, easier to write that way.
That's like a core of the product as well, is just making it easy for teachers to quickly assess where their students are at with mathematical topics.
Yeah, teachers need ease.